So this is my fifth app. This one is called Dotstorming. The reason why I chose this is I'm always looking for ways to enhance communication in the classroom, and one of the things I think is very important is to continually be changing things that we use. Seems like students get bored a little bit after trying something new. I think about the first times I used Quizlet in the classroom, and the first one or two times they were enthusiastic about it, but the excitement wore off quite quickly after that. And so you always, at least I always find I need to be changing things up a little bit. So I found this and I like it. It's a free app and has a few things. One of the first places I guess I'd show you is the welcome board that they have. They show you all the different kinds of ways that people can post comments on a community board and have responses. You can assign a certain number of votes that people have. Comments that are voted on get a little green star at the base of this. And so you can also arrange the board by comment, by number of votes. On the sidebar, there's a chat line where students can post up spontaneous comments about things. Students can post videos in their posts. They can post pictures. They can format text. It really has quite a bit of flexibility. A few things that we have is that when you start out, you just simply add a card. And when you add a card, you can put in your comment like, oh, this is great. And it'll post it out on the board, and it'll become available to be voted on at that point. As the moderator of the board, you're able to drag things around and make them arrange their situations. You can add a brand new board and give it a title like class discussion. And you can have comments about what this board is all about. You set the number of votes that you would like a person to have on comments, and you can either share via email or share via link. Once you set that, you hit create the board, and a new board will pop up that has a sidebar. It says how many votes are available, and you can choose how your window setting is. If you want to rank it by votes or by most recent comment. It's pretty basic but effective and a great way to collaborate in the classroom. The standards that I see this one fitting up very well are things like ISTE 4C is use collaborative tools to expand student learning, and ISTE 5C explore creative digital learning environments that engage students. And I think this fits both of those bills.